Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Pratikha. In today's tutorial, I am gonna show you how I do my eyebrow. I'm gonna show both using brow pomade and brow pencil. So let's start with the eyebrow pencil. This is my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil, precisely my brow pencil by Benefit. It gives a very natural look. It's in the shade 4.5. This one a bit pricey, but I can give you some recommendation of drugstore product which are so affordable and great. And these two are some alternatives of expensive ones. So first, using spoolie, I am just brushing my eyebrow hair upward, and then I am very light-handed drawing a line underneath my brow. Make sure that this line is soft, otherwise it will hurt to blend and won't look good. Then I am very gently brushing my eyebrow hair upwards using this pencil. And then I am brushing my brow hair upward using this spoolie, so that all these lines looks natural and blended. And if you do mess, don't worry, we can fix it up by using concealer. And then I'm gonna brush my brow hair downward. Now I am just filling the area where I have missing hair and creating some small strokes towards my brow hair, and again blending this using the spoolie. Now I am using a concealer to clean up the edges and looks more defined shape. And in this part, if you did mess, then you can fix it up. Now I am using this brow setting gel by Benefit. Here I gave some recommendation of brow gel, but if you want, you can use any clear mascara. I am just using this gel to set my brow so that my brow stay in place for a long time and it also looks more natural. So this is the final look using brow pencil. Next I am going to use brow pomade to do my eyebrow. Today I am going to use ABH Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And here are some recommendations of brow pomade which are so affordable and great too. And to using the brow pomade, we will need a brush like that with spoolie and angle brush, and this brush is from Morphe. And again I brush my hair upward, and then I started to draw small strokes, very light-handed and softly underneath my brow, and I always try to remove the excess product from the brush. I'm brushing my hair upwards so that it fills the gaps. I'm using the same brush and I didn't take any more product. And again, if you did any mess, don't worry about that. We can fix it by using concealer. Now I'm brushing my brow hair by using this spoolie so that everything is well blended and soft. Now same as before, I am using concealer to clean up the edge and make it more defined and sharp. I always try to use small amount of concealer so that it looks more natural. In any part, if you feels like there's any gaps, then just go back and use some brow pomade and then clean the edge by using concealer. And now same as before, I am setting my brow by using brow setter. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. So see you in my next video. Take care.